we need some energy here and some good spirit here, because today we are going to celebrate the international, we plan to celebrate at our Dr. K. M. Vasudevan Pillai's campus. So I welcome you all for this celebrations. I also acknowledge and welcome all our heads of the institutions. We have Principal Sandeep Joshi sir, Principal of Pillai College of Engineering. We have Dr. Gajanan Badar sir, Principal of Pillai College of Arts, Commerce and Science. Gopal Krishnan sir, the Registrar of PIMSR, Pillai Institute of Management Studies and Research. And we have Professor Neha representing Architecture College. So we welcome all the heads for this wonderful occasion, where we are also going to sign a very historical MOU between Commonwealth Youth Council and Pillai Group of Institution, which is going to be a landmark movement today, where we'll be having a collaboration with Commonwealth, where our students can get an exposure at international level and at national level for various social activities, humanitarian activities, where our students can become part of the movement with Commonwealth Youth Council. I hope you all have heard about Commonwealth. How many of you have heard about Commonwealth? Raise up your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, very less students know. But we have Gurdeep Vora, who is the Vice Chair of Commonwealth Youth Council, and the Commonwealth office is headquartered in England, London, but he is staying in Mumbai and heading the youth movement globally. So we welcome Gurdeep here to Dr. K. M. Vasudevan Pillai's campus, a very dynamic young man who is heading this initiative at international level, and we are very proud that an Indian is heading the vice chair position at global level, right? So congratulations, Gurdeep, for this position. And he is an IITian. He has done his mechanical engineering from IIT, and he has his own startup, G Money, where he is working on various medical projects, which we are very happy about. We also welcome Sonia Deshmukh here, who is again a young girl like all of you of the same age. But imagine they are working with My Bharat and Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. So they are representing youth at national level, where they work closely with central minister like Mansukh Mandviya who is currently the Youth Affairs Minister. In fact, Parth is also here, Sonia is also here, Gurdeep is also here. Currently, there was a very big event, if you all have seen, Viksit Bharat Yuva Connect.
Actually very close to me because one of my best friends is a pass out of this particular college only. I don't know if anyone knows them. But this college has, promoted him like anything. 2022 pass out Vedant. I don't know if the management might know that. He was a 2022 engineering pass out from this particular college only. So he's a very good friend of mine. So first of all, congratulations to your management, to every one of you for actually having the MOU, because they are actually more, the college is more interested in giving the international exposure to their students as well. I'll just give you the brief about the Commonwealth Youth Council, what we basically do, what we basically are and everything. So Commonwealth is, I don't know if everyone, the Commonwealth Youth Council you might not have heard, but Commonwealth Games everyone might have heard. There's a smaller version of Olympics that happen between the 56 countries. So how this Commonwealth Games came, what is Youth Council, what is Commonwealth? So Commonwealth is basically an organization of 56 countries coming together and making everyone grow. Now you might have seen that Modi ji is in Canada, in G7 summit. So G7 is one of the international organizations where India represents. So G7, G20, UN, BRICS, Commonwealth, everything, NATO, these are the organizations that have countries coming together and working for each other's development. In Commonwealth Youth Council, we organize events, we have international delegations going from one country to another, we have Sri Lankan delegation which will come very soon to India as well. So hence, the same way we also send our delegations to different countries and have international dialogues there. And the best part is, this thing is for free. You don't pay anything. From Mumbai airport to Mumbai airport, you are, sponsored, including your shopping fees is sponsored. So So that is the best. My motivation was that only. I'll be very frank.
As we heard Gurdeep telling us about the international exposures, he majorly mentioned all the international exposures that we can get. I am here to tell you about one national exposure which we can get in our own country. It's an initiative started by the Ministry of Youth Affairs for the youth of our country. The My Bharat portal, which they have started, wherein all the initiatives, all the events, everything that is conducted by the Ministry of Youth Affairs is uploaded, where you can participate, register, become a volunteer, work for the ministry, volunteer with the ministry, and you can get whatever exposure which you can. In fact, if I talk about my personal experience, when I was there at BIMSTEC, we had the BIMSTEC nations coming in India, and all the event organizing team was the My Bharat volunteers which were registered on the portal. We all love to use mobile. I request everyone to please take out their phones and do a small activity with
dignitaries. Heartful.
Okay. Now we change the rabbit into the deer and deer into the rabbit. Left, right. देखिए कैसे? हाँ, क्या हुआ ऐसे हो गया? Right handed. Most of us are right handed. तभी ये दुनिया आज की logical है. We ask lot of questions. Why? दिल से काम लेना.
Okay. I request all the students to please stop talking and laughing. Yes, it seems to be funny. Please take it seriously. It's only 10 to 15 minutes. We are then you can sit down. The wrist rotation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The other way, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Rotate your fist nicely. Okay. Then elbows open and close. Elbows open and close. Then we are going to do the shoulder rotation. Should be able to do this clockwise. Youngsters like you should be able to do this clockwise and stand still, stand steady without any support. Try doing these. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So as you are going to look up, you feel like you are dropping down. Right? One more time. Look up. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now relax. Look on to the opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax.
Let us begin.
So first and foremost, a big thank you to the most prestigious institute of India and world that is IIT Bombay, for giving us this opportunity, for giving Heartfulness the opportunity to conduct a meditation session at your esteemed campus. And I feel very blessed that I am standing here with my team members. We have all the volunteers from Heartfulness, our local Abhyasis, and our youth members all have joined here to celebrate Yoga Day with all of you at IIT Bombay. And let me tell you, I also feel very blessed that you people in front of whom we are standing, the IITians, the students, the staff, the faculty member, don't you feel you are very blessed? Yes? Very blessed, right? So let's connect to the thing which has given you such a big blessing. Session along with Heartfulness team. We have who's also an alumnus of IIT. He is the vice chair of CYC Youth Council Global, partnered with Commonwealth Youth Council to do various humanitarian activities all over the world. So he's with them. Then we have Sonia Deshmukh here, who is also a young representative who is representing the My Bharat and Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. We have Mr. Ganesh Devrukji, who is a Dronachar awardee and also an expert in Heartfulness Institute for today. So without taking much time, all speakers will be talking for 2 to 3 minutes, and they'll definitely give you a lot of insights about the work what they do at national and international level, and also in Malkham, Saab will update you. After that, we'll have a session where we will be having brain exercises. How does it sound? Great? You already have a lot of brain. We are going to add some more to you today. Through Brighter Minds, brain, cognitive skill, activity. For that we have Geetanjali sister here, who is an expert in Brighter Mind activities. आप सबको exercise करना है. Okay. So now I would request Gurdeep to please come and speak about the CYC. And we are very, very proud because these 3 young people, they are the ones who were mentors for young youth boys, girls at Delhi, where they had made
at Kanha Shantivanam at Hyderabad, and we have a very privilege to visit there, and we learned a lot of the meditations and what kind of place is there, and we have tried the chanting of Omkars at some of the place at there, and we feel the vibrations, how we feel vibrations, and what is the importance of the nature as well as the meditations. And it is a very wonderful experience for me as well as my all teams. And thank you, I am very thankful to the IIT Bombay as well as the Kanha Shantivanam.
Thank you.
शांतिवनम ये है कि जहाँ 1400 एकड़ में फैला हुआ एक लैंड इन्होंने इतना हरा भरा ग्रीन कर दिया है जो अपने पीपीटी में देखा होगा. So I said them to visit that place. So their first experience, this is the first batch of IIT Bombay who visited Kanha Shantivanam, जहाँ ये Heartfulness meditation है. So आप लोगों के लिए इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए कि कौन लोग हैं.
the best USP of Heartfulness Institute that we do not charge any money for any kind of service. This way, both of your toes are completely relaxed. The tension present in this way. So slowly. Be part of this practice. 3 sittings are compulsory needed. If you have to sit alone and meditate, you need to complete 3 days sitting without a break. Thank you. Thank you. My mom was a teacher, so lecture. Because they all are from your local area, we have our trainers in every area, every city, every state. So they all are here. You're from IIT campus only, madam. I'm heavy. So all the trainers are available to give you sittings. You can go to our WhatsApp app, which is totally free of cost. Whenever you feel that you're not getting sleep, you're feeling restless, there's a live trainer available on our app who can give you sitting 24/7. It's called as WhatsApp. And all these trainers are available here and they can be easily accessible. You just have to take the appointments, and all our services are free of cost. So it's pure service to humanity. Okay, so don't worry that's a commercial thing or so. So with this one photo, सारे heartfulness वाले आ गए.